Wondering where to enter your customer and supplier opening balances in AutoCount? Let's go through the correct setup.
3.4 is about keying the opening balance for the customer and supplier. Keying customer and supplier, as long as your date is before the accounting year, the system will capture as opening. Like this case, Y-1 means 2025. This YYY means this year, 2026. You complete the customer first. Customer total is 28,000. Then only we proceed with suppliers. Customer AI invoice entry and then new. Over here you just select customer name, and because this is your previous invoice, we need to capture the original invoice number. So you key in the past invoice number yourself manually. The date is 1 year before. The system will show past invoice. If the date is between January to March, the system will change this to year-to-date invoice. By the way, year-to-date or past invoice, the system no need to key in any account because we just need to update the amount of the opening. In this case, 16 December 2025. Description is balance BF. Balance BF, go forward. And amount is 5,000. And the footer description also balance BF. So after you key in everything, make sure you take this proceed new AI invoice before we save. After done, double check, we save, and then continue with customer one. Okay, another invoice. Another invoice 12359. Okay, amount dated 4th January. Okay, then right click add description. You just now I got copy is Ctrl C. You highlight copy Ctrl C, and then paste is Ctrl V. If not, then you have to key in manually. 3,000, and then save. Next transaction, invoice number 12388, and then dated 9 February. Description, balance brought forward, amount 7,000, save. Okay, last transaction for customer one, 12490. Okay, 11th of March, and then description, balance BF, amount 5,000. Okay, after done, you can cancel it, and then you double check 20,000. Okay, then 20,000, then only we continue new, and then debtor account is customer 2. Okay, customer invoice number 12396, and then dated 25th February. Description, balance BF, amount 6,000. Okay, 6,000, and then done save. Next customer 2 also, and invoice number 12501, dated 22 March, and then description, balance BF, amount 2,000. After done, double check total amount 28,000. AR done, we go to AP creditor AP invoice entry, and then new creditor. Here you select supplier A, and then supplier very different because we got supplier invoice number and the system generated. So just leave it automatically, and then we just key in the supplier invoice number over here. Okay, 2332244, and dated December last year. Okay, also Ctrl V, and then amount 4,000. Okay, save. So after save, proceed with customer one also. Okay, invoice supplier invoice number 223355, dated February, and then description, balance BF, and 5,000. Okay, footer description also balance BF, save. Done. After done, this description you want to just edit. After done everything ready, you see the tutorial required last step. What is the last step? Update the debtor and creditor opening from the last year balance maintenance transaction. How to update? Go to Tools, Manage Fiscal Year. This one, you see now you go to year-to-date balance, still not updated. Okay, that's why we got one more step. You go to Tools, Manage Fiscal Year, and then you highlight, and then here, last month year-to-date. This one is opening for method 1 and 2. Method 3 is year-to-date. You just press year-to-date balance, and here got notification, AR, and AP 2 times. After that, you log into year-to-date balance maintenance one more time. Now the balance at the bottom is balance becomes 0. If you already transfer your data from old system to AutoCount, make sure you don't simply change the opening transaction. If you simply change, then you have to go to Tools, Manage Fiscal Year. You press one more time the button at bottom to update the AR and AP balance back to this listing, year-to-date maintenance balance listing. That's all.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.